What is the value of the expression 9 squared minus 21 divided by 3 multiplied by 7? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression seems very simple, but it tricks 99% of people. Let's go step by step and solve it together. To solve this question, many people start by calculating 9 squared first, and instead of the original expression, they rewrite it as 81 minus 21 divided by 3 multiplied by 7. In the next step, they usually perform the subtraction between 81 and 21 and simplify this expression to 60 divided by 3 multiplied by 7. Then, they proceed by doing the division between 60 and 3, which gives them 20 multiplied by 7. And finally, they multiply 20 by 7, which ends up with the answer 140. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option D is the correct answer to this question. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some other people when solving this question first go for the expression 9 squared and they simplify to 81 minus 21 divided by 3 multiplied by 7. And the next step, they usually go for the multiplication between 3 and 7 because they think multiplication has priority over division. So, they rewrite this expression as 81 minus 21 divided by 21. Next, they perform the division between 21 and 21 since they believe division has priority over subtraction. And they rewrite this expression as 81 minus 1, which ultimately gives them the answer 80. And immediately, they conclude that option B is the correct answer to this question. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see in the image and this expression, first we have an exponent, then a subtraction sign, followed by a division, and finally a multiplication. We should start with the exponent because in this expression, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, this expression simplifies to 81 minus 21 divided by 3 multiplied by 7. And the next step, we need to handle the division and multiplication, since multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. However, it's very important to note that multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this situation, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move toward the right, performing division and multiplication in order. So, first perform the division between 21 and 3, and this expression simplifies to 81 minus 7 multiplied by 7. And the final step, we do the multiplication between 7 and 7, which gives us 81 minus 49. And finally, the value of this expression is equal to 32. That's great. Option A is the correct answer to this question.